I've been feeling the arrival of autumn lately. The mornings and evenings have a refreshing chill in the air, making it the perfect time to have a light, long-sleeved shirt. During the fall and winter seasons, even though direct sunlight doesn't reach our balcony, the lighting is still excellent and gentle, with a slight breeze that makes it quite enjoyable. Particularly enjoy arranging flowers in the balcony, and the good thing is I don't have to worry about cleaning up if I happen to spill water on the floor. It's pretty convenient. I don't have a set schedule for changing the flower arrangements because different types of flowers have varying lifespans. I usually wait until the current flowers have withered and then pick up new ones. When I come across some I like at the flower shop, I don't do extensive research on flower combinations. As long as they look pleasing to the eye, it's good enough for me. It's all about adding a bit of color to our home. To get into the Halloween spirit, I bought some pumpkin decorations this year. Since I purchased different decorations from various stores with varying delivery times, it took a while to complete the setup. I especially love these maple leaf decorations. They look quite realistic and really bring out the autumn atmosphere. I dressed up my two little angels as little witches, and they are eagerly looking forward to trick-or-treating, with the candies already prepared. Lastly, I added some decorations to the bookshelf, really highlighting the autumn vibes. I placed a few oranges on the table, and my daughter suggested drawing faces on them, just like jack-o'-lanterns. I thought it was a creative idea, so I let her unleash her creativity. and they do look quite adorable. Today, let's celebrate the arrival of autumn with a simple pumpkin pie. In Western countries, people like to prepare pumpkin pie during the fall and winter because it's pumpkin harvest season. And in the USA and Canada, it's often associated with Thanksgiving or Christmas. Pumpkins are sweet and healthy, perfect for the whole family. The ingredients are simple and easy to work with, making it a great activity for kids as well. I'm using store-bought pastry today. When you take it out of the fridge and it has a bit of condensation, rolling it in flour can solve the issue of it being too soft. I'll pre-bake the crust for a bit to make it dry and easier to cook, since the pumpkin filling cooks relatively quickly. My pie is on the low sugar side because I believe that pumpkins are naturally sweet and don't require a lot of added sugar. Adding cornstarch helps firm up the filling. Ginger is crucial as it brings out the pumpkin's sweetness without making it spicy. Heavy cream is also important as it makes the texture smooth and adds richness, while milk balances the heaviness of the heavy cream. You only need a quarter of the amount of heavy cream. I've chosen canned pumpkin because it results in a denser and better textured pie compared to fresh pumpkin. I really enjoy cooking in the quiet as it allows me to forget about many worries and recall some wonderful memories. I didn't want to spill the pumpkin filling, so I had to carefully put it in the oven. Wow, the color looks amazing. I was feeling a bit lazy today, so I just added some icing sugar for decoration. And it was ready. Orange juice should be a nice accompaniment. Since I had some extra pumpkin filling, I also baked some mini cupcakes with it. It seems these are more appealing to my little angels.